Welcome to the project demonstration of non-invasive glucometer by using Arduino with Bluetooth monitoring. So the main application and features of this project is, in order to get the glucose levels of a person, we have the conventional way of invasive method, means taking a blood sample and inserting that into the glucometer and check the glucose levels. Now we have the solution to get the glucose levels in non-invasive method based on this sensor, which has the two basic sensors. One is IR transmitter and another is a red LED transmits, which will emits the red LED with certain frequency. So why? Because a certain frequency of light only will be emitted from the red blood cells from our finger. So when we place a finger inside that, the system will initially isolate the systolic and diastolic. Means when the blood was filled with the finger by pumping from the heart, then we'll get some certain intensity. Means more blood, the receiving signal will be more. Means when the finger was filled with more red blood cells, then the reflected light is going to be the more. And the heart pull back the blood, then the intensity of the receiving signal is a less. So first of all, the system will differentiate these two signals, systolic and diastolic, and then the system will capture the blood density of a person by using the signals of the same red LEDs only. IR is to detect the finger and red LED to get the density of the blood, and based on the blood density we are going to estimate the glucose levels. As we know that whenever the sugar person has the more sugar levels, his or blood levels are more, then blood density is going to be the more. That is the normal basic equation. Based on that we are going to estimate the glucose levels based on the receiving signal, and that was interfaced to the Uno board at pin number A4 and A5. Pin number B2 to 7 interfaced to the LCD screen, and 01 to the HVS-3668 Bluetooth module. So this is a continuous process, and let us see demonstration. First of all, we need to install this Bluetooth application. That's a Bluetooth terminal. So we can use any application of serial Bluetooth terminal in your Android mobile phone. After installation, you can on the power supply to the kit, and a welcome message will be displayed on the LCD screen. And then after, go to Bluetooth settings of your phone, search for the Bluetooth module. So we need to get the HC05 here, and once HC05 found, we need to pair to that using a password of 1234. Right, we got the HC05. We need to enter the password 1234. Right, after entering the password over here, so it will be there in our paired devices. Now go to the application. Next time onwards, you can directly go to this application, as we can see the HC05 over here. Right, okay, it will be connected to the application. Right, after pairing to the application, we can see the no finger in your mobile phone. Okay, as the empty screen on this LCD. Then we can insert the finger. So based on the calculation which you have till now discussed, the process will done, and it will be calculated, it will log somewhere. So once the glucose level is accurately calculated, it will be logged at a location. So 130 now, right? But you can see that continuously we got the signals of 90 around regions. So that is my glucose levels value. So when we insert properly, then the system will continuously provide that information. When you move the finger drastically, the glucose levels also will be changes drastically. Right. Thank you.